Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley and today I have my BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, which I know you do, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for only $21 a month. So if you're interested and you like what I got on my February box, as of now, today, you are still able to get the February box. So I'm gonna leave the link to the website down below. So if you're interested in getting the box, you can just go right on and subscribe. And then if you want to cancel it afterwards, you're more than welcome to do that. For the most part, I actually enjoy their boxes. They're pretty good. January box, that's another thing. I did not like that box at all. It was not my favorite. So I'm really hoping that with this box, I actually love it. I haven't opened my box, still sealed. So I'm gonna do that right now with, you said it, my pincho. So this is how the box looks like. Afterglow. So in every box you get this little card. It has information about the product, what they're for, the names, and the prices. So I'm gonna leave all the prices down below so you guys have an idea how much the box was. So the first thing is this. So it's the No Pore Blem Primer. It's a smooth and pore covering primer. Oh, it's really smooth. It kind of has a smell to it, but it's nothing. Oh wow, that's really smooth. Oh. This is, it's $18. The next thing is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I do not own this mascara. I have never tried this mascara, so it's actually gonna be the first time I've used it. This is how the wand looks. Excuse my nails, I have to get them done. So I'm really hoping I really like it because I know a lot of people rave about it. And that is $24. So you know what? If you love this mascara, you can just get the box. It's $21. You're saving $3 and you get 4 items. So you pay for the mascara and it's like you're getting 4 items for free. If you were about to purchase the mascara, you can just go ahead and subscribe to the box, get the February box, and if you don't want to keep getting the boxes, you can just cancel your subscription. So that's a thought. Next thing is the Grande lips. I have no idea what this is. Never heard about them. This is how the box looks. Says Better Balm. This is $25. And what is this? Okay, semi-matte liquid lipstick. I don't know if this is the color Grande Lips. Wait, is this like a oh, it is a plumping lipstick. Okay, my lips are, they're like not really there. So if this works, girl, your girl's gonna be excited. You know, the videos that I've seen on YouTube, I didn't see anyone getting this variation. So here's the color. And again, that was $25. And next I have the Pretty Vulgar. It's a highlighter in the color Shimmering Swan, 126. This is how it looks like. I think it might be too dark for me. It's like a peachy golden. Wow, look at that. That's nice. Okay, the last thing in the box is these. They are sheet masks and there's 2 in every little packet. So you're actually getting 4 masks. It's the Tula. It's by Tula. It's a probiotic skincare energizing sheet mask infused with probiotics and fermented birch water. I have no idea what that is. That is $24 too. That was all that I have in my pocket. I'm also gonna add everything up and I'm gonna put the amount that the box was around here so you guys can have a better idea. So if you like it, you can go ahead and get it. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna prime my skin. I don't know how much or how little I'm supposed to be using. I already have moisturizer on, so I'm just gonna push it. I can still see some of my pores over here, so I'm just gonna see how it looks after I put on my foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows with my NYX micro brow pencil in the color black. Oh, I need to get a new one. Yeah. Now that my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. So I wanted to see how the primer was going to look with my normal foundation because this is the foundation that I use every day, to see if I actually see any difference. I mean, I don't really like, my pores are like a tiny little bit smaller, but I can still see them. I don't know, my foundation is not a big fan of it, so I'm just gonna add my concealer and see how that works. So the concealer that I'm using is the Maybelline Age Rewind, but I'm not a fan of the applicator, but I love this concealer, so for that I'm just going to ignore that. I'm just gonna blend this out and see how my pores are gonna look after my whole makeup is done. Because you know, some foundations don't work out with some primers, so maybe this foundation doesn't work well with this primer, but I don't know. Now I'm gonna set my face with my RCMA powder that looks like a hot mess. This is, again, the powder that I always use. So I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm just gonna use this to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm not contouring or anything like that today. Now I'm gonna apply my highlight that we got in the box. I'm just going to apply that with my VH Cosmetic brush. I don't know if it's the primer or the highlighter, but it looks a little bit, I mean, it's definitely there. I see it too, but it's a little bit, it doesn't look smooth. It looks a little bit patchy. For blush, I'm gonna use another one from Pretty Vulgar. This is the blush in the color Make Them Blush. I got this also in one of the previous boxes. I don't remember which one it was, but where is my eyelash curler? I'm just gonna curl my lashes before I put on the mascara. Now I'm gonna use the Too Faced mascara. Oh, nice. So this is how my eyelashes look with the mascara, without the mascara. This is just with one coat. Now I'm gonna go in with the second coat. And then this is how, 2 coats, 1 coat. 2 coats, 1 coat. I like it. I always wonder, why do we make such awful face when we're putting on mascara? Because I know it's not just me, right? So this is how my eyelashes look. I actually like them, right? They look cute, right? Now we're gonna use the lipstick and see. I'm supposed to plump my lip. I don't know about that, because look at my lip, barely nothing there. I mean, I don't know about the color. What do you guys think about this color? I mean, I don't think it's my favorite color. I don't hate it. Oh, something is happening. My lips, they feel a little bit tingly. Oh, okay, no, hold on. Feels like it's a little bit burning, but it's just like, you know, if you ever worn a plumping lipstick, it feels a little bit tingly on your lips. That's how my lips are feeling right now. I'm just gonna set my face with my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I want to apply a little bit more of the highlight. Okay, that's better. I mean, you can definitely see the highlight. Definitely there. Now there you can really see it, right? In terms of my pores, they do look a little bit smaller, but nothing crazy. The mascara though, this mascara I like. I like the box, right? I'm iffy about the highlight. I'm gonna try it again and see if I like it more. The mascara, it's a definitely thumbs up for me. I really like the mascara. This lipstick situation, plumping, buttercream, half matte thing, I don't know about the color, and I don't know if my lips look any bigger. They definitely don't. It says in the back, you're supposed to use this twice a day for 30 days. Your lips are supposed to look fuller or become fuller after the 30 days if you use it constantly twice a day for 30 days. If it was a different color, maybe I will use it twice, but I don't think what do you guys think about the color? Do you like it on me or not? The highlight, it's a little bit patchy. Like, it's not as smooth as I like them to look, but I like the box, right? I am gonna try the sheet mask even though I always say I'm gonna try them and I never try them, but I will try them. I do like this month box better than the January box. I was not a fan of the January box. That for me was a fail. This, I can see myself using some of the products again. The mascara, I am definitely gonna use again. Probably I'll use the highlight too. I'll give it another try. This lipstick color situation thing is not helping me. That was my box of the month. I got the variation number 4, but I will leave all the information down in the description box down below with the products that I got, the prices, the variation. I know some of you like to know the weight of the box and all of that. I'm gonna put all that information in the box below. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and your thoughts about this month box. If you got the same box I did, please let me know how you like the products. Hit that notification bell down below. The link of BoxyCharm is gonna be down below too. That was all for today. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.